Hello guys, this is Frigidaire right here. Well, we've purchased this used stove, and I was wanting to make a little bit of a video about it. This is an old Gibson, and this has got the old top light on it. I'm still almost done cleaning it, except for the fingerprint just left on it. Look at that beautiful stainless steel top. Almost like a mirror reflection, see? Pretty cool, huh? Anywho, I haven't put the stove burners in because I wanted to show you all this. This is one of the older ones with all the wiring's right there if you need to work on it. And I haven't put the burners in yet. They're all that came with them, obviously. My cousin, I guess it'd be technically like a second cousin, sold a system for $20 after our old one had. I guess I thought there'd be okay. The oven light. Oven light don't work. I had to work on that. So besides the oven light not working, the only other problem I've seen is I had to put a missing screw in right there for the oven handle. One of the earlier models with the self-cleaning oven, I have no idea what year this thing was made. I'm gonna do something with that little red light. Here, I'll put my finger over it. But anywho, I just fired it up and might see if the clock will take off and work, or maybe try to set it and see if it keeps time. But I love these old ones with this the old fluorescent top light, man. That's pretty cool. Makes a nice night light if you need it or something like that in the kitchen. So I'll make a video on the outgoing stove when I get a chance. It's an old Frigidaire that we bought that caught fire, and this is the stove we're replacing it with. So, like I said, I just basically cleaned it out real good. I've got to put the stove burners back in, and that's about all I really plan on doing with it for the evening. It took me a long time to get it, you know. Every time we buy a new appliance or new/used appliance, we always try to clean it up the best that we can. So, of course, it never stays that way, but it's always nice to see it shimmering and gleaming at least once. So, I guess that's about it for this one. Shall they do right out?